Right, look at that quality, guys. The quality is really nice. What's up, gamer? It's your Freddy here once again. And yes, we are going to review this item right over here for today. I have an unboxing with this item already, so you might want to go ahead and check that out. And if you already did, then this is the review. So we're gonna do some gaming tests, we're gonna do some video test, camera test, and of course graphics test for this item right over here, and I'm gonna give you my feedback. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and do that. But before we do that, don't forget to take it easy. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, gamers, so yes, this is a Xiaomi Pad 6 that we're going to review for today, and I think I already mentioned about the cosmetics about it on my previous video, how good it is, right? So this is more like gonna be the performance of this tablet, and yes, we bought a Xiaomi pen, so we're gonna review this all at the same time as well. Alright, gamers, so let's go ahead and start reviewing this tablet right over here. So I'm just gonna show to you the entire tablet itself. So there's the camera, and this is metal finish. It's actually metal, and then you have here your sensor for the pen right over here, magnetic pen. There you go. So yeah, you can put it right that, and this is the notch for the magnetic keyboard. I also have a unboxing about that, and then you have here the two speakers right over here, and then your power button right over here. Let's go ahead and test the camera first. So I'll just go on ahead and swipe it open. All right, so there you go. So we test the camera, and let's take a picture of this one. Okay, so that's the camera at the back, and you can actually zoom it some more. Like, I don't know how zoom in you can go, but let's maximize it. This is times 10 zoom, and the quality is not that good anymore when it's that zoom in, because this is just digital zoom. So you have some document, you have some video. Let's play a video right over here, quick video. All right, there you go. So that's for the camera, and then you have some documents, photo, already done with that. We also have a night mode, so I haven't tested that actually, but yeah, we can test it right now. There you go. So that's the night mode. Let's check. Keep the device steady, and then we'll just check the quality of that versus the actual photo at night. This is without night mode. Okay, there you go. And then so we have a short video, dual video, director mode, and then director mode is more like a pro version, something like that, because you can manually adjust the white balance, autofocus, and ISO and exposure. So that is what director mode is all about. Yeah, we have some beautification actually right over here for photo, right? So you have some filters right over here. You have normal, and then the codes, so you can just play around with it. Right there you go. Let me show it to you. There you go. And then beautify, of course, it will just make your skin more flawless, something like that, right? So that's for the main camera. So let's just go on ahead and do the front camera right over here, right? So this is how it looks like. You guys can see it. So I'm gonna take a photo of myself right over here. So for video, you can go on ahead and use this one. So let me just get a video of myself. But of course, the main camera is usually better than the front-facing camera. Sorry for my hair. It's a bad hair day. That's about it for the camera. Let me just show you the specs of this tablet. So I'll just go to about right over here. MUI version 4.0 by a RAM of 8.0 plus 3.0. That's a total of 11. Snapdragon 870 mobile platform. Octa-core, max 3.2 GHz. Android version is 13. This one comes with 128 GB, but if you have more budget, then I would suggest that you go for the higher gigabytes, because games nowadays and applications nowadays are large. So let's just go ahead and put this pen to the test. So there you go. As you can see, it's working fine. You can use it outside, and you can go on ahead and use it with other apps as well. For example, this Ibis Paint, here's the something that I have edited, so we can add more right over here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, so it's very responsive for the pen and the tablet as well. It's very nice for sketching and for doing all of this kind of stuff. So let's just go ahead and try games right now. Okay, and then you can also check the volume. I'm just going ahead and increase the volume at maximum for this game or for this tablet, so you guys will have an idea. And by the way, if you want to have some case like this, which is what we strongly suggest, this is durable and it's not that cheap. The price is just fair for its quality and durability, so you might as well get one of these. This is from XUNDD, so I'll go ahead and post a link in the description down below for this one and this tablet and this one as well, and the magnetic keyboard as well. So this is the sound at maximum. I hope you're getting the best quality sound right now. So this is how it plays with MU Origin 3. Alright, look at that quality, guys. The quality is really nice. You might not see the quality itself, but if you're gonna see it in person, it is really nice. And it's really playing smoothly with MU Origin. Let me just show you the settings. There you go. It's custom because we have HFR. We also have all of the high settings right over here for MU Origin 3. It definitely can handle this game. This is what I would like to show you guys, that the pen, most of the games, alright, it doesn't work. The pen doesn't work in-game. Alright, only your fingers will work, but your pen would not work usually. I wish there's a game who can use this pen, but yeah, who uses pen for playing games, right? And that's the quality of the sound. Let me put the mic a little bit closer. And by the way, you have two options here. If you want the UI or the user interface like an iPad, you can do that. Or if you want it to be an Android-like, you can also do that under settings. Let's try some other games. So let's try Wild Drift. I'm their target. That's very obvious.
Victory! That requires please, no! Don't hurt me! My wife and I are just simple folk. We don't have anything about it. Death is quite the teacher. For this place? I lived across the street before the apocalypse.
Alright, let's try Mobile Legends.
Come a little closer. Our turret has been destroyed. You have slain an enemy. Better gear, better aim. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. I am neither the hungry wolf nor the sacrificial. Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. No one outruns my shot.
Alright gamers, so if this video was helpful for you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, family, or just anyone who would like to know how this tablet performs. Alright, share your thoughts, questions, suggestions on the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have a new video. This is Fred once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on another video, okay? Yeah!